Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is 10th of September and I have not been trading. This was the last day that I traded. This was my entry here somewhere and I forgot and carried it, and I exited immediately at this high. This point I exited, and there was some settlement issue which got on Tuesday. So Tuesday also, this was Monday's chart. This was Tuesday's chart. I didn't trade it, but see how market was in this parallel range. So this was Tuesday, and today is Wednesday, 10th of September. So Nifty opened here, and this is the first 5-minute candle. So I made a parallel channel with the high and the low, and I was hoping to enter in this point, but this move came very fast. This upward move came very fast, so I missed this candle, but then I entered in a CE trade. This was my entry point, and the PCR was showing me bullish signals. Call writers, put writers were showing bullish signals. So this was my stop loss, and I entered here. So 25,013 and 93. So 20 point SL, and it immediately came down. So I had to take my SL and I exited. But I exited here, and somewhere I exited. So next, since this was approximately the high, I was waiting, and this candle also gave sudden momentum, and I again, since it was 25,025, I entered somewhere here, because this red line here, this black line here, this was an old resistance or support. So as soon as it closed above this, and it was here, and I entered in this red line, I entered here at 25,025. It came a bit down, went up, I exited at 34. So my entry was 25, around 34, 35 I exited, and then it again came down, and my stop loss was hit. So this was my entry 2, exit 2, and stop loss. The thing is, after I exited, I was in this candle for nearly 30-40 seconds, but as soon as I exited, the candle came down. It was green, it came down, became doji, and it hit my stop loss, closed below my stop loss. So after that, the market has been consistent. It came back to this range again. It came back inside this range again, and came out, and again went back in. So today's market was non-directional, sideways market. And my 4,000 rupees loss, 4,400 rupees loss was has taught me one thing, that whatever happened, I should just sit back, and I had to let go. I had to learn how to let go. Otherwise, see, so market started from here in this channel. It went up, stayed a bit up. Sorry for that. Came back to this channel. Give a breakdown. Again went up. So Nifty again formed a doji in a daily pattern. So there are two important days, today and tomorrow, in America. So let's see what happens. Nifty might go up, might go down. I'm not carrying anything, but made a little bit of profit, 2-3 points. The first loss was 1 point, which is a good loss, and the second was profit of 3 points. So 2.5 points I made, which is a good trade. So that's it for today, and hope you guys are watching my audio summaries that I have been making. If you want to learn more about some other books, please let me know in the comments below. So that's it for today. Keep crunching those numbers, guys.